Excellent triple threat tag team action here at Philly on SmackDown. Next week, SmackDown's going to have the tag team championship with the Street Profits against DIY. But this is what Nick Aldis, the general manager, put forth to determine the eventual #1 contenders. Motor City Machine Guns, Pretty Deadly, and Los Garza Wade.
Yeah, 3 teams scratching and clawing to get themselves in pole position. And a shot at whoever the champs will be after next week. And right now, it's the Motor City Machine Guns that are hitting fine form with Chris Sabin.
Sabin is revving the engine. And getting the best of Berto. Let's go! Oh, they're hoping to go right back into title contention. The recent champions as Sabin into the cover to become #1 contenders, in the kick out by Berto.
The veterans, the Machine Guns, they have been screwed left, right, and center over the past several months, including losing their tag gold to DIY. Nothing has gone right for them since. Well, that could change tonight.
We talked about the ring awareness you need to have in a triple threat tag team with the blind tags. There's nowhere to hide, as you say, Wade.
Some of these competitors wish they...
Oh, the tourniquet.
Nicely connected there from Kick.
Big boot springboard from Berto.
Things are turning in the blink of an eye in this one.
Everybody is showing their weaponry here. And now the 5-hole to the outside, taking out 3 of them by Chris Sabin.
Unmatched cohesion from the Motor City Machine Guns. 2 bodies, 1 mind, and this could be the...
Oh, they're lining up Skull and Bones.
Oh,
Kid pushes him off. And the backslide by Pretty Deadly. And the win.
Yes, boy!
Here are your winners, Pretty Deadly.
We've got new #1 contenders. It's the boys from England, the Killer Queens. Who will they face? Will it be the Street Profits? Will it be DIY? We're going to find out next week. But tonight, Pretty Deadly, quick thinking, got everything they wanted.
That's a big win. Hey, we heard from Randy Orton earlier tonight, but that wasn't the only shock